problem I've set out to work on is on my boat I didn't want to have the console graph installed flush mount. Instead I wanted to have it removable. However, the mount for the removable mount moved the graph too close to the steering wheel. If I tilted the wheel, it would hit the graph. So my solution was to raise the mount 3.5 inches with extensions to allow the wheel to tilt without hitting the graph. My first pass was with 2x4s, which worked, and I could have stopped there, just painted them. But I have a 3D printer, so I decided to design something in FreeCAD and then print it. The first print I used default specifications, and the extensions were too weak. Under pressure of the screws and the outside heat, they started to buckle. So I changed the specifications, added aluminum to the sides for support, and developed a working model. This raised the graph 3.5 inches, which was perfect.